Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup. This is honestly my favorite time of the year. So I am going to be doing a clown makeup routine for you today. I'm not going off of any picture. This is honestly kind of how I got into makeup. I love doing my parents' makeup for Halloween, my friends, so I'm just going to dive into it and we'll see how it goes. So I already did my foundation, I did my whole makeup routine, I did a black smoky eye. I will link makeup tutorial for this look below. So I guess I'm just gonna get started. So I really want to define my cheeks a bit more, so I'm just gonna go in with the Sephora brush. It's number 50. I'm trying to get a really dark contour. And as you can see, it's just really warming up and it's getting way darker. So anywhere that you just placed normal contour, triple it or do it 4 times as much. Like, you really want it to be extra dark. Plus it's Halloween, this is when you get to be fun and creative, and I love that, so. To start, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner. It's just liquid eyeliner. Comes in a cute little tube. I usually use this for Halloween makeup just because it's nice, has like a nice fine point. So, I'm going to make a dot on either side of my eye. Just like that. That is where I'm going to be doing the lines down, and you want it to be right in line with your eye, so that's even. And I just do a line down on either side. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is just a little outline. But now this part does have to be perfect. So I'm going to concentrate in my mirror because I want this to look good. So. I do it right over my eyebrow, and then I just fill it in. I'm going to outline it again and just make sure it's nice and crisp and clean. Okay, so that's what the one side looks like. I made a point, I brought it down, I did the sides, and then I just filled it in and I made sure to clean it up. I'm going to quickly go to the other side and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with the top. I really want to do some fun eyeshadow instead of doing it mostly eyeliner. So I'm going to just go in with my Morphe 35V palette. And I'm just going in with my IT Cosmetics brush, number 322. I don't even know. I think I'm going to do some fun colors. I'm going to go with the shade Addicted. It's a really fun deep purple. I am just going to bring it under my eye, kind of into the areas where you would have dark circles. You guys, I love Halloween. This is like, I seriously love doing this Halloween makeup. And I'm so glad that I started YouTube right before Halloween, so I had the opportunity to do this and share my really fun ideas. I usually do my parents' makeup every year for Halloween, and it is just so fun, and all their friends, and it's just the best. It's so fun to be this creative with makeup and just go all out and do whatever you want. And making sure I blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Seduce. It's a darker shade of this. And I'm just going to start under my eye and slowly bring it out, trying to create that ombre look. So that it adds a little depth. going back in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. I'm going to do something similar to the top, except it'll be thinner and more elongated. So I think I'm going to have it go to here. So those will be our points of reference. And you'll just do a line. So there's our reference. And it's going to be a very thin triangle. Literally just like a teardrop. And I am slowly bringing it down just to kind of decide how low I want it. And then I'm just going to fill it in. Okay, you guys, so the lines are done. I'm going back in with some eyeshadow. I'm going to work it down into the lines. And also making sure that you're blending it out into your skin so it's not a harsh line. Okay, I think I'm going to add some black. Just right up here. I'm going to do my lips next. I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner Candy K lip liner. Next, I'm just going in with the Candy K Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm going to put some glitter eyeshadow on my lips just to give it a little pop. So I'm going to go in with the shade Lust, which is kind of a sparkly pink. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Okay guys, so this is my fun Halloween clown makeup look that I did for you guys. Hope you guys like it, and I do plan on doing some more. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below, and I hope you guys have a great Halloween.